அருகம்புல் விதை. அருகம்புல் விதை. Seeds of argan grass. Treats cough, cold. Also removes constipation. Remove constipation. Treats cough, cold. Treats cough, cold. A good medicine. You can have it in small boxes. 100 grams of seeds will treat 100 persons. 100 grams of seeds treats 100 persons. So it is called Devagana Vaidyam. Devagana Vaidyam. Thank you for listening this video.